Hey guys, it's Tim from Gas Junkies here. I figured I'd show you guys my new purchase. As I'm sure you can see is the Rustler VXL. I ran across it on Facebook. Guy wanted 200, I offered him 150 for it. And he told me he'd throw in a few things for 175, and I went and picked it up. Here's the transmitter. And a few extra things he did throw in are, I got the upper, or the RPM arms for the rear. And he actually already put on the front ones. I don't know if you can see this or not. There you go. As you can see, I have the adjustable links. And also another set of wheels and paddles. So I thought they were pretty cool. So I was like, you know what, I'll do 175. And I'll take the body off here. It also came with the box. I actually just threw the box away. I had the manual. I didn't get the optional gear, which I believe it came with. But it is the Valenian 3S system. They say it does 70. I believe it's optional gear and a 3S battery. I've ran both 2S and a 3S in it. They're both really quick. As you can see, I'm gonna need new tires soon because they just swell up like pancakes and now they're bald. And I've been driving on pavement a lot too, so. However, the first day I ran it, when I got it, the guy said it was only about a month old. I was running it and I was looking at the wheelie bar, and on the other side I seen there's a hole but no screw, and I'm not familiar with them, so I just kept going. And I hit a jump and the wheelie bar broke off. And also, let me see if I can focus in on this. If you can see right there, it actually broke that half of the transmission case because that was the only screw they had on it. So I went and I bought a new wheelie bar and I actually just put a longer screw in through the other side for now. My brother actually had a extra transmission case at his house, so I got that for backup if that does end up snapping all the way. I actually had some good footage of it running today, and for some reason it won't play back on my phone. So I do have a little bit from last night. It was very cold out, but me and my brother went over and got some different videos. So I'll show you guys those in a minute. And I figured while I'm on here, I'll give you guys an update on my WL toys. The original motor actually burned up. So I actually bought a Red Cat brush motor off my brother and put it on. When I was getting the dust cover, which sits about right here, when I was taking it off, I accidentally broke it underneath this and didn't think anything of it. I went to go run and I kept hearing like a gear stripping. And I never really knew how these gears worked, so I took it apart today and I found out what it was doing. The piece that snapped off pretty much holds the spur gear in place. It keeps bouncing whenever I hit full throttle, and there's all kind of chipped plastic down in here now. So that's going to be off the road for a while because the part, I mean, it's a cheap part, but it's going to take over a month to get from China. So, and I'm also still waiting on my parts for the S912. I glued it together temporarily. I went over and it lasted about 10 minutes, and then I jumped it, forgot about it, and snapped back off. So after this, I'll show you guys how it runs here and let me know what you think. Speed run with the 2S. Speed run with the 3S. And I can't really keep the front on the ground. Try one more time here. No matter what I do, full throttle, the front wheels will just come off the ground. No matter how late in I hit the trigger. And as you can see, I've only ran this about 3 or 4 times on pavement, which I know these tires are more designed for dirt. But with 3S, it's absolutely killing the center treads.